Guys, welcome to Maverick Forex channel. Here I will explain my strategy to you and post my trades. After testing thousands of strategies, I came up with this method. I will also post all the previous strategies and paths I took that were not profitable or I could not make a profit. If you have any suggestions or questions, be sure to tell me in the comments. Let's go. Very important point. I had been dreaming for several years. Looking for big profits with a small account. Looking for a strategy that would always make me profit. After about 13 years and losing a lot of money, I came up with this strategy I named the strategy save, which means the priority is to protect money, then make a profit. Suggestions for success. This tutorial is not a movie that you watch like a clip. This strategy requires market research and analysis. So please open your broker and at the same time review the things. Data said. Time frame 15 minutes time GMT plus 2 o'clock, of course. If you learn the analysis completely after watching the videos, you can trade in the desired time frame. Based on the provided data, price data up to the last closed candle at 8:45 on Wednesday, November 25, 2025, and the comprehensive trade journal according to the SAVE strategy. Current market overview. As of 8:45, last closed price, 1.15187. Recent structure. A bearish breakdown from 1.15360 to 1.15390 on November 21st. Sharp drop to 1.14930. Strong reversal on November 21st at 14:30. Formation of a valid higher low, HL, at 1.14930, November 21st. 18:30. Rally up to 1.15505 on November 24th at 14:45. Price has since consolidated within 1.15140 to 1.15200. November 24th, -25. Current state, November 25th, 8:45. Price testing minor resistance at 1.15215 to 1.15220, highs of 8:15 and 8:30 candles. Clear higher low at 1.15110, formed at 7:30 to 7:45. Long signal assessment. Small diamond strategy conditions. Save. 1. Valid HL structure. Check mark HL established at 1.15110, November 25th, 7:30. Check mark price bounced cleanly and moved higher to demand zone. Prior breakout. Previous bullish breakout occurred in 1.15170 to 1.15200. November 24th, 1930 to 2045, 3. Price action confirmation. At 8:45, price pulled back to 1.151594. Absence of traps. Market has exited the volatile trap cycle seen in prior weeks, e.g., November 9th, 10:19. Suggests reduced probability of stop hunting. Recommended long signal entry zone 1.15228 to be taken immediately after 8:45 candle. Contingent on bullish 9 o'clock confirmation. Stop loss equals SL 1.15105 below 7:45 low and HL with 5 pip safety buffer. Take profit, TP 1. 1.15260, November 24th, 2200 high plus psychological resistance. TP 2 to 1.15320. Prior demand confluence plus NOV 23 to 24 resistance. TP 3. 1.15400. Next institutional target. Break of 1.1536 to 1.1540 block. Final confirmation enter only if the 9 o'clock candle closes above 1.15190 journal-based insight. Lessons from past trades. Referencing. Logged trades. Especially NOV 18 to 19. Dual confirmation structure is critical, but current conditions show calm stabilization, not manipulation. Structure plus valid close. Warning risk management warning cancel the setup if the 9 o'clock candle fails to close above 1.15190 if entering. Maximum risk equals 0.5%. Consistent with all journal entries. I am very happy that you watched my educational video until the end. I hope you are satisfied. For future content, please subscribe to my channel, like it, and send it to your friends. Post your questions, suggestions, and criticisms in the comments at Maverick_Forex.